Hello! We now have a better and in-depth understanding and clarity on Indian Sign Language, don't we? We have additional information and explanation from words we have done in our previous lessons. Let's look at some of the signs we have learned in the lesson on nature. S-U-N, sun. The sign is up in the air. That's the sign for the sun, right? But then the hand is wiggling. It shows the sun's rays, the sun shining, the brilliant shine of the sun. The next one is sky. So, the sign is comprised of two signs. Blue, which you already know is color blue, plus the sign for sky. Another one we can look at is a similar sign for clouds. White pointing to the teeth and the clouds. The fourth sign is green and the shape of a leaf. Green is a color again, plus the leaf, shape of the leaf. It's comprised of two signs making one sign. That's clear, isn't it? Let's look at another lesson. Colors. Black. Right? That's the color of the hair. Sign language is a visual language. It's very simple and easy to understand. White points to the teeth, the color of our teeth. Brown points to skin. Orange. Why this sign? You know the fruit orange? And when we squeeze it, right, and the juice gets into the eyes. So it's something connected to that. Pink. It's the color of the lips. So that's why it's pink. The sign is such. Sign language is a visual language. Hope this explanation helps.